Okay, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken and potatoes with this really simple, beautiful gravy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in my pan, as you can see, I've got some oil. I'm using the sunflower oil, but you can change that if you want to something else. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons. I've got a chicken here. I've just cut it in half. This is a 1 kg chicken, bone on, skin in. 1 kg is 2.2 pounds. We're going to add some salt and pepper to it only at this stage. And on a medium heat, we're going to be frying this for about 8 minutes. I'll be flipping it every now and then. Now we're going to add 2 cups of onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic that I've chopped up. Again, stay on this medium heat, nothing too crazy, not too high. And we're going to go for about another 5 minutes or so. Looking absolutely beautiful. Now I've got some potatoes here, about 3 cups. You can see the amount that I'm using. Whole, just peeled them, gonna drop them in, give them a head start for another 5 minutes. I'll be tossing them around every now and then. Now I'm going to add 1 litre of chicken stock. I mean, you could use a different stock if you want, but we're using chicken, so I'm going with chicken stock here. I'm going to pour that over. We're going to pop a lid on this, stay on the medium heat, and we're going to go for about another 8 or 9 minutes. So now that the potatoes are nice and tender, what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken out and the potatoes out, set it aside, and then deal with the balance of this gravy here. So the chicken and the potatoes are set to one side. What we're going to do now is I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or corn flour, which is the same thing by the way, into a little bit of water, mix that up and drop it in. We're going to stay on a medium heat. What this is going to do is thicken up the gravy. It's going to give it a nice kind of shine to it. I'm also going to add a little bit of parsley, chopped parsley, maybe a tablespoon or so. Just mix that up with the heat on medium. And as the heat goes through it, it's going to thicken. You can adjust this however you want really. You can get it thicker or thinner, that's entirely up to you. So chicken is done, potatoes are done, the gravy is now done. Let's get this together. So on my serving dish, what I've done is I've layered out quite a lot of the gravy. We're going to place the chicken on top. Then we're going to pop the potatoes around it so it looks very fancy and beautiful. And then I'm going to grab some more of the gravy, a little bit of the balance, and just pour that over the top of the chicken. You can add a little bit more parsley or something to it if you want. Really super delicious, nice and easy 1-pot chicken potato dinner. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love.